Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. In this difficult period for concerts and live music, more generally, the banda Don Bosco of Sant Dona di Piave has thought of keeping faith with the famous motto of Don Bosco, and oratory without music is like a soulless body. For this reason, to overcome several difficulties and problems, he thought to do the streaming concert. From now on, be our motto of order, the holiness of children is proof of the holiness of the Father, wrote Don Roa after the death of Don Bosco. This wish has been particularly confirmed over time. From Don Bosco to the present day, in fact, there is a tradition of holiness to which he deserves to pay attention because he embodies the charism that originated from him and that express itself in a plurality of states of life and forms. These are men and women, young and adult, consecrated and lay, bishops and missionaries who in historical, cultural, social contexts different in time and space have made the Salesian charism shine with singular light. It is a heritage that plays an effective role in the life of the Salesian family, in the community of believers and for people of goodwill. Therefore, it is necessary to express deep gratitude and praise to God for the holiness already recognized in the Salesian family of Don Bosco and for that in the way of recognition. The winter plenary session of the General Council ends today, 28 January, and as per tradition, in view of the closure, the Rector Major Don Angel Fernandez Artime shared yesterday with the community of the Salesian headquarters the work supported, offering his thought of good night. On January 23rd, in the Meruri Indigenous Mission, Salesian missionary Beatrice Volkmar Tola was ordained a priest by Monsignor Protogenes Luf, Bishop of Barra do Carcas. Don Ricardo Carlos, SDB Superior of the Salesian Province of Brazil, Campo Grande, BCG, was present at the ceremony. From 21st to 24th January, a group of 30 Catholic Christians who are members of the New Catechumenal Way from the parish of Gatumba and their catechists from the parish of St. Michael of Bujumbura experienced a spiritual meeting at the Shrine of Mary Helper Christians in Buterere, Bujumbura. On January 16, in the Shrine Sagrado Corazon de Jesus, the Salesian Walter Armando Solis Colaje was ordained a priest for the imposition of hands and consecration prayer of Monsignor Gonzalo de Villa, Archbishop of Santiago de Guatemala. Present at the ceremony held behind closed doors, Don Angel Prado, Superior of the Salesian Province of Central America, CAM. On January 15, the Salesian School of Arts and Craft in Sao Vicente, Cape Verde, received a visit from the Minister of Education, Dr. Amido Cruz, and the National Director of Education, Dr. Eleonora Souza. The visit is part of the journey that the two authorities are making in the schools of the country to know its reality and its functioning. The minister was received by the director Don Luis Peralta, SDB, by various members of the council and 100 students of the first cycle and their teachers who welcomed warmly him by singing the school song. The minister has known the various structures and has taken the opportunity to express his appreciation for the positive contribution that the Salesian School is making to Cape Green society. In addition, he stressed that the Salesian School is a fantastic organization which has been and continues to be a reference for the country's education system today. COVID forces us to change the ways in which to be next to children, much more online and much less courtyard. But for this reason, they do not change our spirit and our mission. On the eve of the feast of the founder of the Salesian congregation, Sunday 31st January, Don Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major, spoke with Familia Christiana, who publishes the interview in the issue from today on the newsstands. With the aim of strengthening the ties between the El Salvadoran society and its scholarship program, Probicus, the Don Bosco University of El Salvador, through its Department of Social Design, organized for the fourth consecutive year the traditional event. It is Good to Give Education, which was held in mid-January and which, due to the pandemic, took place in virtual mode. On 10th January 2021, Reverend Father Jose Matthew, the Provincial of Salesian Province of New Delhi, blessed and inaugurated the new Don Bosco School building at Jamtoli, Kolibera in Jharkhand. In the presence of esteemed guests, Mr. Namand Vixel Kongari, MLA Kolibera, Mr. Pratap Minch, CO Kolibera, Mr. Gerald Eka, Mukhia Lachragar, Father Naresh Kujur, Vice Provincial, and Father Biju Abraham, Provincial Economer. With that, we have come to the end of today's edition. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.